Okay, so आज का जो ये वीडियो है is gonna be a little bit more focusing on the energetic phase you are in right now, and हमें ये पता चलेगा इससे कि आपकी लाइफ में कौन सी एनर्जी अभी है which is a lot of disruption, right? I feel like you're really disrupted and you are not able to align how to go about things. I feel like mentally काफ़ी disruption आ रहा है अभी आपकी लाइफ में, but please remember ये disruption से बाहर निकलने के लिए भी आपको अपने आप को realign करना ज़रूरी है. And how do you do that is by forgetting about the past. I think past energy काफ़ी heavy role play कर रही है, you know, and it's making you feel quite disaligned and you need that space. So, okay. Understand this carefully. If you want to get wherever it is that you have to get, you've got to let the past be in the past. B, isolate yourself. Space. You need to heal. You need to come back into your own body and you need to heal because that's very, very important. And ये disruption से अभी because इतना कुछ चल रहा है, you need to pull back. You need to isolate yourself. अगर आप isolated नहीं हो already, by God's grace, you know, you need to isolate yourself. See, always remember to have that faith going through and moving forward. And you also have to remember this, that in any way, this space is gonna really help you cleanse. It's gonna really help you realign yourself. It's really gonna help you get that cleansing on. You know what I mean? So that's what's absolutely important to get abundant. Get some space. बहुत कुछ चल रहा है यार अभी. Get some space. You need that cleanse. You know, only after that you're gonna get that hunger to move forward again. You're gonna get that, okay fine, I've got to do this, I've got to do that, I've got to get there. But before you reach that stage, ये जो current disruption है ना, ये निकलनी चाहिए. Alright? That is when you'll see massive abundance and massive results. Alright? So you really need to sort of understand that. Confidence is gonna shine back in through. I think this disruption right here is also taking away your confidence and is making you very, very anxious, right? So you need that balance right there. I love it. So all in all, to just wrap it together, I'm just gonna be very, very specific. Because of this disruption happening in your life, you need space, you need to isolate, you need to disassociate for a bit, because that disassociation is gonna give you that cleanse, and that cleanse is gonna really make you like hungry for more now. You know, so you're gonna come back recharged and renewed, and that's where you're gonna find a lot of abundance, because right now you're feeling very, very anxious, and that is gonna create a lot of balance for you, and it's gonna really help to let the fear out. Okay? Om Namah Shivaya.